Hello students, this is Krishna Chaitanya Kasula, mentor for last 20 years for JEE Main and Advanced. So we are just few hours before the final examination of JEE Main second attempt. You have already witnessed the February attempt, you know your scores, you know how you can improve upon that score and what best you can do. What we have to do few hours before this examination. Let me tell you, there is nothing new which you have to prepare now. You have been preparing for 2 years and all what you have prepared is within you. So what matters now is how well you are composed and positive towards the examination, and how will you gather that energy to give your best in the 3 hours of examination. So you have to bring all your energies together, have wonderful 8 to 10 hours sleep. Just revise the formulas, don't do anything new, don't solve any new question papers, don't look at any new chapters, just be in a positive frame of mind, just plan how best you are going to give in that 3 hours. That is very essential, and you should not let any negative thought come in. Be happy, be positive, just look at your dream colleges and be happy that you are getting into those dream colleges. And during the examination, paper can either be easy or it can be moderate or it is difficult. Irrespective of what it is, your chances of getting into your dream colleges will not come down. Let me tell you why. Because it is not the absolute score which matters, but the relative performance. If the paper is difficult, it is difficult for everyone. If the paper is easy, it's easy for everyone. In an easy paper, you should not be wasting any time. Every minute will be important. Both speed as well as accuracy will be very important to you in an easy paper. Now, when the paper is difficult, don't at all get panicky. Understand that it is again your percentile which matters, not your absolute score. It is tough for everyone. So, when you have difficult paper, it is the students who maintain their calm, who choose questions wisely, who succeed. So be calm, choose your questions wisely, take some time. Even in a toughest of the paper, there will be at least about 60 questions which will be very easy. Definitely there will be 60 questions. The toughness may be with only 15 to 20 questions, not more than that. So still there will be 60 questions left in your paper which are very easy. So you have to use all your wisdom in terms of picking what those 60 questions are. Wisely pick the questions, take some time there and be accurate. Don't make a mistake with the easy questions. So maintain your calm, be composed and happily do that examination. Even with a slightly smaller score, you will still be able to get a wonderful percentile. So in a tough paper, to get a decent seat in NIT, what matters to you is a score slightly above 180 marks. And when the paper is easy, to get the same percentiles, you may have to score about 210 to 220 marks. So there is a leverage of about 30 marks. You need not worry in a tough paper. Be calm, choose the questions wisely, and be accurate. And when the paper is easy, don't be overconfident, don't lose your calm, don't get overcomplacent. So just keep on doing the work, maximize your attempts along with accuracy. Accuracy is always essential. See, just if you lose one question, it makes a difference of 5 marks. 4 marks you will lose and also you will get a negative -1. So that is a huge score to lose. Don't ever venture into losing any mark. Be accurate and also be fast. And don't waste any speed during the any time during the examination. You can just keep on doing question upon question and move on. So this is what you have to do. Be positive throughout the examination. Any moment, leave no scope for stress. And if you miss any question, don't get panicky. There are 90 questions from which you have to choose only 75 questions. So there are a lot of questions which you have to do, and only positive frame of mind can make you migrate from that question to next question and perform there. So anytime if you feel panicky, have a sip of water, just breathe that stress out and move on to that examination and just see your dream colleges and happily visualize yourself getting into the colleges. Keep yourself in positive frame of mind, and I'm sure you will all make it. Wish you all a very best.